myself Lalia Dattagupta from Sanskriti Kolkata. Today's episode is 192nd episode, and today I will be showing you much awaited Kota Dorias in block prints. It's a very typical Rajasthani print which is done in pure cotton kota. It's a lovely fabric, and you have given a lot of support for this. So keep watching, you will love the program. The first product is the minimum range Kota Doria in block printing with zari border. It's a shade of navy and maroon color. This is the block print, extremely soft like the one that I am wearing. I'll not open the whole sari for all because these are so soft polished that I don't want to, these are all polished and just come to the store. So just for you to see the print, I'll open quite a few and then you can understand more or less. These are all same print all over with a different print in the border pallu, and the blouse piece comes in vegetable printed cotton. It's a very good quality cotton, and please to make the blouse with this because it goes very well with these Kota Dorias. This is 2990, product number 1 in navy blue color and maroon. The first product, I'm sure I told the price correct. Anyway, the price is already mentioned in the screenshot, so please take the price from there. Yeah, I'm correct. It's 2990. This is the basic range and very good quality and pure Kota Dorias. This is a wine color, magenta kind of a wine color. 2990 again. Beautiful print with a shade of wine and reddish maroon color. This is the pallu part. The products which you are liking, take the screenshot of the product where the number is mentioned. Without the number, I will not be able to take any booking, ma'am. So I request you to take the numbers of the product. So that is very important. Take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. If the product is available, I will give you my bank details. It's a current account, business account bank details, where after you make the payment, the products will be shipped to you in your given in the destination you want to. The screenshot is required for the payment. This is the blouse piece for this. Screenshot, send the screenshot after payment, means it's confirmed, and then we will courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. The address, name, address, phone number, pin code, all required after payment. See, this is a beautiful shade of grey and maroon. See the block print, lovely abstract block print. These blocks are, it's a very traditional block where exact even prints are not there. Overlapping prints, imperfect is perfect for this. It's beautiful, lovely sari, especially the lightness of the fabric and the quality of the product. 2990, product number 3. See the big pallu, sleek zari border. I myself is wearing a Kota Doria, so you can understand it has a beautiful fall and mainly is very comfortable for elderly people also who can't wear heavyweight saris. For them it's really good, and of course we all love lightweight saris. This is the blouse piece for this. So anybody will see the fall, the beautiful fall of the product. I have a very heart-to-heart connection with Rajasthan. My first outstation trip for saris were in Rajasthan. I had my family members living there, and initially when I couldn't afford hotels and all, my aunt and all, it really gave me I had stayed in their place, beautiful with all the houses with garden. I loved the way those beautiful. She used to take me to the markets. Now she's no more, but I really remember her whenever I show Rajasthani product, and whenever I go to Rajasthan, go to Jaipur for my work needs and all. Now that I put up in hotel, but every time she is always in my mind. Such a sweet aunt, and even her daughters, we are all in touch though, my cousins there, but from very young age, Rajasthan is always very close to my heart. So this is the blouse piece for this, and this is the sari. So you can well imagine 26 years of me into this profession. So I started at a very, very young age, and since in my family nobody was into garments business, so mainly actually at that time fashion industry wasn't very prominent, or very, basically we were called just fashion designer term wasn't used much at that time. So anyway, this is also 2990, lovely print. These maintenance is dry clean and sometimes polish. The polish, do it soft polish, then the fall will be good. Sometimes polish, then it will be more comfortable. So wear 3-4 times, give for polish. Wear another 3-4 times and then 1 time wash. So that's the way I usually maintain my saris. This is the pallu, and the border is also there. Now coming to the vegetable prints. The vegetable prints are priced more. These are Ajrak vegetables, so this is slightly higher price, around 600 rupees difference because of the block printing and also of the organic dyes they use for this. See the color, it's in charcoal black and grey color with touch of green. 3650 Ajrak, Kota Doria Ajrak. Same process as the Ajrak printing, only the fabric is in Kota Doria. Lovely color combination, looks very fashionable on wearing. You can wear with silver or gold jewelry, whatever. This is the blouse piece for this. This is the pallu, 3650. Lovely colors. This time I'll show you all new collection. I waited long enough for the rains to, there was lot of rains in Rajasthan in between, so work was the work had stopped. We couldn't pursue with our printing because you need sunlight to dry these printed products. That's why it was delayed, but you will love the episode. You will love the colors and the prints this time that I will be showing you. All new concepts in printing and color combination. 3650 for this rustish color. These are not stiff fabric. These are soft, and mainly these are extremely comfortable, and the printing is beautiful in these. This is the blouse piece for this, and mainly earthy tones. Now coming to the color that I am wearing. This is Choti Booty minus the Jal print. See the color, it's in blue and Firoza. Very pretty block printing, all vegetable print with zari border. This is the pallu for this, 3650. Just 650 rupees difference than the other because of the full lot of dye is required in this. The color is because the basic, there's one color which is we are dyeing the whole fabric, and then there's on top of that the discharge printing and all is done. So it takes a lot of color for this, and printing process is also different. This is the blouse piece for this. You can mix and match with your white shirts. This look very nice with your shirts also, because it's very fashionable and very smart looking sari. 3650 for this. See this color. Beautiful shade of slate. Personally, when I do these kind of episodes of lightweight saris, where I don't have to bother much about heavy makeup or not wearing heavy Banarasis or something like that, I feel very, very comfortable, because draping around 30 saris, it really, my hand pains after I do the episode. But then these I am very happy because these are so lightweight and such beautiful fall it has. This is the blouse piece for this. Now let me tell you about our address. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. The older one, where I had started, is near Baliganj railway station. It's 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is the second branch. It's in 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both are close by in Baliganj, but do visit. Regular stock comes regularly. New stock is added every day. Whatever new products are coming, it comes regularly, new stock. But to get this particular product, you have to pre-book, because so many of you are watching and also they get sold out soon. So it's best to do prior booking. Definitely you will get more quotas, but the print may not be same, or the color maybe that you are looking for may not be available at that time. So better you pre-book. And of course, you can visit the branch for more options and collection. This is the blouse piece for this particular black and blue sari, greyish blue. Lovely floral ajrak. Now I'll show you another very rich color combination, bottle green, dark bottle green and yellow. A very typical vegetable print color combination, Rajasthani color combination. It's a very typical combination, and everyone looks nice in this combination. Such a pretty color. Dark bottle green with lemon yellow. Same price, 3650 for this. 3650 rupees. And here comes the blouse piece for this. Anywhere you go, for small gatherings or for formal occasion also, these are such bright bold prints that you will really stand out. And you can, even if you are not wearing much jewelry, no makeup or anything, these really give a style statement. This is number 12. See the color, mehendi green with yellow. Awesome color combination, very unique color combination. $3650, product number 12, abstract print. And here is the blouse piece for this. This is the blouse piece for this particular product. I have this purplish tone also, navy and pink. It's giving a purplish effect, but basically it's navy color because of the pink dye. It's giving a bit of purplish tone. Beautiful color combination, isn't it? When I was young, I had loads and loads of these kind of malmal frocks, you know. My aunt used to take me and buy those malmal fabrics that you get in the Rajasthan, these kind of color combinations, and we used to make frocks. We are 4 sisters and 4 of us used to make different color of the same print. This is the blouse piece. $3650. This is another color option of the same color, only this another print option of the same color, sorry. So this is another print of the same color combination of coffee and rust. What a gorgeous color combination. This we are shooting in showroom light. So there is a 1920 difference, there will be a 1920 difference from device to device or from the photography or whatever, but we are not filtering, we do not filter any of our products. So whatever you are seeing, I am explaining you the color, I am telling you the color, and I am showing you open product of all open sarees of all the prints and all the blouses. So be sure what your this thing. So very difficult if you want to exchange, because whatever you want to is most of these get sold out, so very difficult for you. If you even if you return, we don't accept returns at all until unless it's damaged. But if you want to exchange, in case you want to exchange, so very difficult to select another piece, because you will be selecting online and most of them get sold out. So that is the problem. So see the products properly, whatever, be sure what you are buying. See the still pictures in the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where the products are details are still pictures are uploaded in the album Ajrak or Kota Dorias. You can check out those albums, products within 4,000 sarees within 4,000. So those albums, these pictures will be uploaded. See for yourself, confirm, you be sure, make up your mind and do the booking. The same print I have the mannequin wearing, the same combination, but the print is different. See, this is a stripe printed with floral pallu. The body is in big florals. Same price, 3650. This is to show you just for an idea of how the fall comes, how the sari is looks after draping. So this is the fabric, this is the color combination, and this is the fall of the product. This is the pallu part. 3,650 rupees for the dear doll sari, mannequin sari, 3650. Now coming to product number 15. Again same combination that I am wearing, only the color, the print is different. 3650. Beautiful print. Very vibrant, bright color combination this is. And it has some batik effect, you know, see the cracks, the batik, the vegetable print, zari border, indigo. We never get enough of indigos, we love indigos. And this is the blouse piece, indigo blouse. Say as if our curtains, our bed covers, saris, kurtis, skirts, appliques, anything indigo, just we love indigo. So this is one of the indigo and Firoza color combination, 3650 for this. Now the one that I am wearing, this is also in indigo. This is the pallu part. And this is the sari. Very smart block print. Here is the blouse for this. This is the blouse piece for this. Now coming to my ring, I am wearing an antique coin ring. Antique coin ring. Can you see the stone setting in between? It's 1500. Antique coin ring is 1500. The bracelet that I am wearing is 550 rupees. And the very unique neck piece that I am wearing, Afghani neck piece. It doesn't have a earring. It has stone setting, moonstone, this panna, emerald, these kind of stone setting with garnets, pearls, Afghani neck piece, antique. It looks very good with westerns also. And of course, any ethnic where you have to wear silver one. It's such a beautiful piece, especially the jali filigree work in this neck piece. 2500. 2500 is for the neck piece. 2500. This is the maximum that you can get the length. You can shorten the length but not longer. This is the maximum length you can. This is a very standard length. 2500 is for the neck piece. A beautiful piece, let me tell you. 2500. Now coming to something absolutely new, outstanding color combination. Sober pista color in again Kota Doria. Coming back to these very uncommon, very unique colors. ₹3650. 3650 rupees. This is the blouse piece. Beautiful sari. Batik with vegetable printing. Ajrak. 3650, product number 16 in pista. Very pretty color. I'll show you more colors and all are very pretty. See this color combination. Lemon. First time these colors I'm showing. Of course, because you have given me so much of support. This Kota Doria, this is, see the color, the lemon and this one mustard. Very uncommon color combination. 3650, product number 17. In fact, my wardrobe is full of all colors Kota Dorias in different prints. I love Kota Dorias. This is the blouse piece. Every alternate month I visit Rajasthan, and whenever I land I take a deep breath saying this is my second home. It's a beautiful place full of colorful colors, culture, and you know, beautiful. I love what I do, I love my work, and the best thing is it gives immense pleasure when you love your work, you love what you're doing. That is very job satisfaction, you can say. This is the sari. Another color, number 18. Pink, beautiful shade of pink, and here is the blouse piece for this. See the paisley print, such a beautiful print this is. $19. Very uncommon color. It's a blackish navy color. It's not black. It's a very deep navy with peach color block print. All the colors today, you will love the colors, as I said from the beginning. This is the blouse piece, the border, and this is the sari. Purple, it's actually burgundy with magenta. All unique colors. These are first time colors that I'm showing you. All different prints, all new concept. This is the sari. Blouse piece. So colorful, but only two colors used, bottle green and lemon yellow. Beautiful piece, isn't it? Let me drape this. This is the pallu, and here comes the blouse piece. All blouse pieces will have self print in it. Same print, but the color combination again is in purplish navy and mauve and pinkish mauve. Blouse piece. So you have lots of color combinations, lots of sarees to select from. So those who were waiting for months for quota episode can select from here. You can please give me options so that I can at least, if you don't, options are important, so that if you don't get this number third one, give your second preference or your third preference. 3650, and again this is the blouse piece. Please book these kind of sarees with options if you have any. Of course, no heart and soul rule that you have to give, but of course if the first option is there, you will definitely get that. This is the sari. Now something again totally different in kotas. Now check out these. Pure kota doria, zari border with hand work. Red. Hand mirror work with katha. Hand mirror work with all over buta. Small butas all over in mirror. Mirror work buta. This is the hand work in kota doria. Katha with herringbone and mirror work. Price 4990 with awesome block printed blouse piece in Ajrak. This is the blouse piece. And this is the sari with tassels, and this is the pallu. Zari border, tassels, pallu, 4990, pure kota doria with blouse piece printed. I have lovely colors in this. Black, number 24, it's black. So this is the blouse piece. Okay, the reflection is coming. This is the blouse piece for this mustard block printed blouse piece. And this is the sari. Here is the pallu part. Here, this is the, sorry, just got, I have to open, I thought of not opening, but anyway, this is the pallu. Is it clear? I hope you can understand. This is the tassels, this is the border, and this is the blouse piece. So the whole sari will have the same border, all over buta with mirror work, hand embroidery with block printed blouse piece. So this is the whole concept of the sari. I have the pink, number 25. Gorgeous pink color. This is the sari. All over buta. Beautiful shade of pink. Rani color rather, I would say. This is the Rani color. Thread work kota doria, and this is the blouse piece. All with tassels. Now number 26, navy with red. This is the blouse piece. First let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece and this is the sari. Actually these all have double blouse. So one is the sari blouse that you will be getting, and extra blouse piece also we are providing, printed blouse piece. So this is the sari. This is the sari blouse. Can you see the difference in fabric? This is the kota fabric, this is the sari blouse in cotton. So one blouse, second blouse. All the colors that I showed you, starting from black, pink, red and navy, all the colors have double blouse piece, and this is the sari with work and this is the block printed blouse piece for this. Now I will show you one extremely exquisite sari. 4990. Now there's a little bit of sentiment to this. This applique, it's a very rare applique done with batik, original hand batik, and it is done by an NGO. They are doing very good work, very good work. 4990 indigo vegetable Kota Doria along with applique. This is all hand applique. Hand applique. This is the pallu, and this whole border will have the hand batik applique done by hand also. Temple applique, and this is the blouse piece. Now see the blouse piece. Can you see? This is fully hand applique blouse. Best to make the blouse in shirt form or a high neck or a jacket blouse. Best to, because it's a double material. The back part is in Kota, and this is done reverse applique. All the fabric has been put inside by hand. It's a very different, unique. Can you see? This is one Kota fabric, on top of that this fabric. Only 4990. And the last one, number 28, same thing in a different print. That had diagonal, this is circular. Same, see the pallu part also, beautiful pallu. Actually, they usually make cushion covers and wall hangings and all, but I bought these appliques and asked them to do it directly, just in the sarees. So they did a beautiful work. This is the border, hand applique. This is the pallu. 4,990 rupees with blouse piece. This blouse is block printed blouse without the applique. This is same price, but this blouse I've given just plain block printing, vegetable print. Of course, the border is there in applique. 4990. This pallu part is broader, bigger. So that's it for today. Please do take a minute to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Namaskar.